What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be checking out the Symmetry Plus by OtterBox for the iPhone 2022 Extra Large Pro. Let's talk about that. We are going to be unboxing and reviewing this case for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. I don't know why they call it Extra Large Pro here. Interesting name. Nevertheless, let's jump into it. So this is the lighter protection case from OtterBox. Still does a great job, but it's not as dense as like their Defenders or something like that. So if you want something a little sleek, this is the way to go, or typically. So we're going to get into it in a second here, but let's take a look at the packaging. Nothing really crazy from last year's packaging for the 13 Pros. Still has the military rating, 3x tested. They talk a little bit more about MagSafe, so people know it does work with MagSafe, so your wireless charging will definitely work with this case. On the back, they kind of just talk about that stuff. It's also made with more recycled plastic now, so a little bit more eco-friendly. Lasting antimicrobial protection. Okay, sure. So yeah, let's check it out. I still wonder why they think they need to tell people this, but let's move on. So the case definitely feels a little bit more flexible than last year's model. I like it already. The bumper is a kind of like a soft, like not your typical TPU, but it's definitely got a little bit more give to it than normal. And the back is way more rigid. So it's like a harder plastic and a softer plastic. And you can see the buttons are actually probably the same plastic as the back, but they definitely feel a little nicer. Your pass-through for your volume rockers there, your cutout for the camera, and a raised edge to protect the optics, as well as the button for the power on the other side. The bottom has the cutouts for your power port and your two speakers as well. With the case on, your new dimensions for the phone will be about 11.5, roughly we'll call it, millimeters thick at the frame. 14, a little bit north of 14 millimeters at the bezel for the camera. And I can't do height, but it'll be about 81.8 millimeters wide. The phone itself is 241 grams. The case is about 42. And both of them together, 284 grams. Installing is pretty straightforward. I usually just drop the bottom in and work my way up to the other corners. It fits like a glove, no problem whatsoever. And your optics are perfectly protected. You can see that the edge is raised up, so when you put your phone down on the surface, it's not going to hit your optics. Buttons are nice and clicky, no problem getting through to those. Same with your volume. Getting to the rocker's not bad either. Plenty of reach through there. Plenty of clearance for a cable on the bottom. They give you a nice big cutout. Your branding on the other side. And your sleek black on the back. Wireless charging is not a problem. So yeah, if you're looking for a sleek case, give you a little bit of protection for when you drop it, this is not a bad case. I definitely like the improvements. It's raised up plenty on the edges, so when you put it down face down, you're not resting on the glass. Plenty of room for your screen protectors, so that shouldn't be a problem either. Yeah, this is a total go. If you like this case and you can afford it, I paid about $45-50 for it at Verizon when I picked up the phone. It's not a bad option, especially if you're a one case person, but you don't want something gigantic. This is the way to go. Thank you so much for stopping by today and watching this video with me and unboxing the Symmetry Plus from OtterBox. If you liked the video, hit that thumbs up button. If not, the thumbs down works as well. And as always, I appreciate the subscription. Peace.